Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating a basic website footer in Webflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid footer section ready for your website, one that looks professional, matches your style, and is easy to tweak to fit whatever you need. Whether you're designing your very first site or just want to improve your site's navigation and branding, this is a skill that'll serve you well. Let's jump right in and get started. Now, if you've ever wondered why footers matter, think of them as the signature at the bottom of your website. They might seem simple, but they play a huge role. Footers are where your visitors go when they're looking for contact info, social links, important pages, or even just a bit of reassurance that your site is trustworthy and complete. So putting a bit of care into your footer is really worth it. In Webflow, creating a footer is actually pretty straightforward, and they give us tools to make it even faster. First, head over to the Add Elements panel. This is your creative toolbox in Webflow. You'll find all sorts of elements here, from buttons to images, but for us the focus is on frameworks that save time. Scroll down and look for layouts. Layouts are like ready-made building blocks. They take care of all the heavy lifting in terms of structure and spacing, so you're not starting from scratch or having to reinvent the wheel. Within layouts, just type footer into the search box. This is such a handy shortcut. You'll notice Webflow has a variety of pre-built footer options, some simple with just a logo and some text, others with multiple columns, social links, and menus. Take a minute to browse through and pick one that's close to what you have in mind. Don't stress if it's not a perfect fit right now. The magic happens in the customization. Once you've dropped your chosen footer onto the page, it's time to make it your own. Here, where you can let your personal or brand style shine. Click on any of the text elements and swap them for your company's name, a copyright line, or a mission statement, whatever fits best. If there are menu links, update them to point to your main pages like About, Contact, or Blog. You can even swap out social icons so they match the platforms you're actually active on. Feel free to play with colors, fonts, and spacing so the footer blends smoothly with the rest of your site. For example, if your website uses a lot of blues and grays, bring those into the footer for a cohesive feel. And remember, sometimes less is more. A clean, simple footer can actually make your site look more modern and polished. If anything feels confusing or overwhelming, take a breath. Webflow makes it easy to undo changes, so don't be afraid to experiment. And if your footer feels a little empty, consider adding things like a newsletter sign-up or a mini contact form. Over time, you'll find what works best for you and your audience. And that's it, you've just created a functional and attractive footer for your site in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.